Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophia. If this is your first time on my channel, you're highly welcome to my channel. Welcome all my amazing subscribers, all my amazing members, all my amazing unsubscribers who are yet to subscribe, and I believe they will subscribe soon. Okay guys, welcome to today's video. Let's get into today's video, guys. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be sharing 5 things. So today's video is about as I normally do. If you are new to my channel, you might not know, sometimes I do share tips on how to grow your channel, which I think I'll be doing more of this year as well. We are in 2022 now. Okay guys, I'm going to be sharing some tips that I do as well. Okay, so it's going to be how to grow your channel, how to different things about YouTube, how to start a channel and all that. But today I'm going to be sharing with you guys five things to do after you post a new video to your YouTube channel. I'm looking down because I have everything written on my book here, so I don't forget what I want to say. Okay guys, so that's why I'm looking down on my book here. Okay, so the number one thing I want to share is when you post a video, okay, check your video optimization score. Okay, the easiest way to check your video optimization score is to either use Tubebuddy or vidIQ. Okay, so these two app or application or software, it's not really software, I think it's an app, I don't know, application or something. But anyway, if you are not new to YouTube and if you're a content creator, you already know what Tubebuddy is or vidIQ is. Okay guys, they didn't pay me to promote or anything, but because I use it, they have the free version. You can also pay for it if you want more of the thing, the service or things they offer. Okay, they have the free version that you can use. So if you are using vidIQ, it tells you about your video scoring. It suggests tags for you. It also tells you which videos people are likely to view more. It also tells you, shows you your competition, your competitors rather, I meant to say. Yeah, and it gives you idea of how to optimize your videos. Okay, it tells you a lot. The same thing with Tubebuddy, also suggests tags for you, how to rank, search terms to use. Yeah guys, so you can check vidIQ or Tubebuddy. I use vidIQ and Tubebuddy. I'm even thinking of also subscribing to the higher booster. I think they call it booster. The vidIQ call it booster, something like that. Okay, so I'm thinking of doing that this year as well, because it gives you so much. When you upgrade, you get so much of their other stuff, which I don't have at the moment. But you can use the free version, or you can pay the less one, which is the one I'm doing. The one I'm paying for, I think, is about £10 every month. Okay, but they don't give me everything. Okay, so it also help you with your SEO. SEO is search engine optimization. Okay guys, so that's the number one thing you need to do, is to check your video optimization, your SEO, using vidIQ or Tubebuddy to correct anything that you need to correct. Okay guys, so number 2 is reply to comment. I think I've mentioned this in one of my live stream as well, but people don't know that replying to your comments is actually good for your video. It helps YouTube to know that people are engaging with your video. Okay, not only that, it also makes your audience to feel that they are part of your community, you know, part of your channel by replying to their comments. Okay, it helps your video as well. It helps the algorithm of YouTube to know that people are enjoying the video. As I say guys, I'm going to be looking down because I write down everything so I don't forget what I want to say. Okay, so number 2 is reply comments for engagement. You know, comment helps YouTube. It helps the algorithm to know that the video is interesting, and it also help to recommend the video as well, and also with the views as well. And it also help make your subscribers to feel that they are also part of your channel, part of your community. Okay guys, so if possible, try as much as you can to reply comment. Okay, if possible, reply the comment the time you post the video, or 24 hours at least, or anytime you get comment when you're able to, but at least reply all the first people that leave comment within 24 hours. Okay guys, yeah, so that's number 2 thing. If you can do that, that would be really nice. Even your commenters, they'll be very happy that you reply their comments. Okay guys, even if you just to give it a heart, you understand, and you are not able to type anything, just give it a heart, because they will get a notification telling them congratulations that you gave them a heart. Okay guys, yeah. So number 3 is take advantage of your analytics. If you understand your YouTube analytics is there on your YouTube, I think it's always best to open your, if you want to really know much about your analytics, the best is to open it on desktop or on your laptop. Okay guys, so take advantage of your analytics. It tells you where your views comes from. It tells you a lot. It tells you a lot about your videos, if your audience are enjoying that particular video. It also helps you to know which type of video is people are viewing more of over the time. Okay, it helps you know where your viewers are coming from. It helps you know what kind of videos, the videos that you've already created that your audience are enjoying more of, the one people are watching regularly. You understand? Like me now, I'm studying my analytics quite a lot now. That's why I'm not trying to introduce some other videos that I've done 2 years ago, like my sewing tutorials, and of course how to grow your YouTube channel and other things. I notice people are watching those things a lot, so I'm trying to introduce back my sewing tutorials and other things, plus my vlog and all the rest. Okay guys, so mixture of everything. So if you are able to do that, take advantage of your analytics. It tells you about your audience, what type of video they enjoy watching, what videos people are watching over and over again, so you can make those kind of videos. Okay guys, so that's number 3. So take advantage of your analytics. Even if you don't understand it, just keep going back and forth with it. That's what I've been doing. Me before, I didn't really understand it much, but now I'm beginning to understand it quite a lot. Okay, so just take advantage of it. Keep searching. As I said, the best is to open it on desktop or laptop. On your phone, you might not see it the way you will see everything properly on a laptop or on a desktop. Okay guys, so number 4 is promote your video on your social media and your community page. Okay guys, so when you post your video, although me, I don't do that more often, but this year I will be doing that more often. I'll be posting my videos on my social media and on my community page. Okay, so but I know that it does work. So promote your videos. You don't have to always do paid ad, but if you have the money, you can do that. But you can promote your video on Facebook, Instagram, on WhatsApp. Okay, you can promote your video on your social media page. Okay, so like if you post a video today, don't forget that if you post a video at 12 o'clock, some people may have not seen it, they may have missed that video. So it's advisable, if you can, to repost it in your community page or post on your Facebook, so that those who haven't seen the video before will see the video again. Okay, so this is something, as I say, which I'll be doing a lot of this year. I'll be trying to like repost the videos I've posted already, because I noticed some people may have missed that notification, which I also do miss as well. Like somebody post a video now and I've watched that content creator, I'll miss the video because maybe they posted the time I wasn't available on YouTube. Maybe I was busy somewhere and they post a video I didn't get to see, but when they repost it to their community page and it shows to me, and then I watched it. Okay, so if you can promote your videos by posting them on your community page or your social medias, you know, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Okay guys, so it helps your video, it helps those who haven't seen your videos, your new videos, to see that you've posted new videos. Okay guys, so the number 5 things. Remember, I'm sharing just 5 things on this video. So the 5 thing, the last is reward yourself, which I know I have to do more of as well. Okay, reward yourself, rest and relax after you've posted a video. Let's say you are posting it 3 times in a week. Relax yourself, take a break, rest. Don't look at your views every time. Don't let your views and your sub count, your subscriber count disturb you. Don't look at it every time. Okay, reward yourself for every little achievement. Like assuming you wanted to reach 100 subscribers within a month or within 2, even if you didn't get to the 100 subscribers, but at least you got to 80. So, you know, reward yourself, be happy. I'm sure the following month you'll probably get the 100, up to 100 subscribers. Like me, last year I wanted to get to 4,000 subscribers, but I didn't get up to 4,000 subscribers. But I'm still happy because I got 3,900 and something subscribers. And I believe that this month of January or maybe February, I'm sure I will get the 4,000 subscribers. Even though my goal this year is to reach 6,000 subscribers, but I'm not beating myself. If I reach there, wonderful. If I didn't reach there, great. But all I'm saying is that rest, reward yourself for every little achievement that you get. Don't be too hard on yourself. Okay, guys, enjoy the process, enjoy creating content. Okay, guys, so yeah, so that's the 5 tips I thought I would share with you guys this new year 2022. Okay, as I say, I'm going to be doing more of these videos, including my vlogs, my sewing tutorials. Okay, guys, so I'm going to maybe make another video and tell you guys the videos I'm going to be creating this 2022. Okay, so when you see different type of video, anyone you enjoy, just watch. Anyone you think you like to watch. If you want to watch all of them, that would be marvelous. That would be superb. All right, guys, so yeah, so that's what I just thought that I will share with you guys on this how to what to do when you upload your videos, after you upload your videos. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you being here. Please, guys, suggest any video you think that you would like me to do when it comes to growing your YouTube. Okay, I'm going to be doing live streams soon, but I will let you guys know on my community page when I'll be back on live stream. But for the meantime, I'll be doing videos like this so that we can all learn how to share my experience, share what I'm doing on how to grow your YouTube channel. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.